So today in this video we shall factorize x square plus 8x minus 9. So first we factorize the last number 9. So it is 3 times 3 mean 9 and 3 times 1 mean 3. So numbers we got is 3, 3 and 1. Among them, multiplying among them we need plus 8. So 3 into 3 means 9 and this 1. So here we need 8. So it is plus 9 minus 1. So we get plus 8. So it becomes x square plus 9x minus x minus 9. So plus 9x minus x means it is plus 8x. So now we find out the common factors in first these both expression and last these both expression. So in the first, the common here is x. So remainder here x plus remainder 9. Like as in the last, the common here is minus and no anything common means 1. So remainder x here is plus 9. So now we again find out commons in first and last expression. So both contain x plus 9. So common is x plus 9 and the remainder in the first x at last minus 1. So x plus 9 and x minus 1 are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.